Hi, and welcome to Phin. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to set up reporting within the Phin platform. So first thing you're going to want to do is use the left-hand navigation menu and select Reports there, as you can see. And you can add any stakeholder, internal or external, to this report viewers. That's a good way for people who do not have access to this Phin platform to be able to see data related to campaigns. You would select Add once you've entered in their email address, and you can enroll them in weekly or monthly reports. And you can see some optional fields there as well. You can enable those as needed. The first two are usually very useful, but you can include all of them if you'd like to. You can also generate an ad hoc report that's not on a regular cadence, so that can be distributed immediately. You would just enter in the same information, email address, optional fields, and then anything that you generate will appear in this reporting history table, whether it's a regularly scheduled report or an ad hoc report. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching.